Here in the Gobi Desert, 12 years ago, Rio Tinto decided to establish one of the world's largest copper operations. I thought I knew what to expect in coming to OT, but the reality of experiencing the scale of this site and its remoteness, it's actually quite humbling. What has been achieved here in creating such a large mining operation in such a remote area, it's really quite astounding. Any industrial operation faces challenges. Safety and productivity need to come together and be effectively managed. I'm sure you can appreciate that in a world where there's 10,000 people working in the one facility, in the open pit, in the underground, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, that is a challenge. The management and leadership of the Oyu Tolgoi mine are very diligent in identifying risks and mitigating them. Hexagon is proud to be a partner.
It could be different every single area. One of them is like the vehicle collision and rollover. Another is vehicle impact to the personal. So those challenge or risk needs to be managed well and controlled well. So yeah, as of today, that's my challenge in mine operation.
Currently, we have deployed the system at level 7 and 8, which is the collision awareness and then collision avoidance level. We have installed over 200 equipments with the collision avoidance system devices, as well as we have trained over like 1,000 people since we started the deployment. We also started receiving some positive feedbacks from the operators, how it's helping them for their daily work, and we see it the support tool for our operators to do their work even safely.
Rio Tinto Group and also OT have a really big ambition to eliminate fatality incidents related with the vehicle interaction. To fulfill that ambition, we looked for a good system that can contribute into our journey. The way Hexagon develops their product is very good. They not just only reflect the technology trends, but they also try to incorporate the industry trends and then also user needs.
The partnership between Hexagon and OT is long-standing. We've had our mine planning technology here for a long time, our particle size distribution cameras, we have our survey equipment, got our geo radars. With the collision avoidance system rollout, we're taking that safety proposition to a new level, making sure that people go home safe at night to their families.